Hi, I'm Jade from CNCD, 20-year boiler manufacturer with 3 manufacturing bases and over 70 export markets. Introducing our chain Grate Stoker steam boiler. Efficient burning of coal or biomass with 75% to 90% thermal efficiency. Automatic feeding or ash removal. Steam output 0.5 to 200 tons per hour. Perfect for manufacturing, textiles, and large-scale heating. Compliant with international standards, durable and low maintenance, backed by CNCD's global service network. Contact me for cost-effective solutions. Let's cooperate. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.